Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to set default font in Outlook. Friends, if you want to do any changes in font size or color etc. in your default setting in Outlook, then you simply need to click on settings. In settings, you need to click on view all Outlook settings. Now here you need to click on compose and reply. Now drag it little down. Now from here you can change the default size and can also change the font style. If required, you can also change the color or make the text bold, italic or underline as per your requirement. After doing the settings, click on save. Now friends, these settings will automatically apply when you are composing a new email in Outlook. So friends, like this you can very easily set default font in Outlook. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.